If you are using Toast POS and you never send email campaigns to your customers, you're missing out on an easy way to drive repeat visits. My name is Hiro. I work with 30 plus restaurants, and on this channel, I'm going to share restaurant marketing strategies, industry news, and the systems that actually grow restaurants. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send email campaigns to your customers using Toast step by step. So let's get into it. Okay, so if you go to Toast Marketing on the left bar, you can click that marketing and you see dashboard. Now we're going to click campaigns under email marketing. Okay, now you can see email marketing dashboard, how many email you sent, how many sales you generated. Today I'm going to show you how to create your email marketing campaign. So there are two types. One is automated campaign and a one-time campaign. So I'm going to show you automated campaign first. So it's basically if you have a restaurant group or each restaurant location, you can set up a automated email based on the customer behaviors. So for example, welcome new guest. It's basically welcoming a new guest, whoever sign up for your marketing or email or text marketing subscribers. So that's automated. And you can see remind guests to visit. You can customize it, recognize high spending guest, thank you repeat guest, drive online order. So there are many automated campaigns that you can activate it. Or you can customize the color, font, picture, and its call to action button. You can customize everything. So you can have restaurant group automation, or if you want to set up each location automated campaigns, you can do that as well. But for this client, they only have one location, so it's going to be restaurant group. If you have multiple locations, you can set up automated campaigns for specific location. Okay, now let's talk about one-time campaign. If you want to send out one-time email like holiday seasons or Black Fridays or any anniversary that you have, you can create it. So Toast updated with AI, it has a lot of templates that you can choose. I recommend using templates because it's very easy to use. But today I'm going to show you how to, edit templates and customize it. So let's say happy holiday, we're going to use this template. Now you see on the left side, you can see campaign name. You can name it however you want. And it's sending from your location and who you want to send, it's all guests. Okay, and subject line, preview text, you can actually use ChatGPT or use this Toast AI to generate it. Okay, now you have control over your elements of your email. For example, you can have a logo. It's a little bit big, so I'm going to try to adjust a little bit. Or you can replace the logo, background color, you can change that, and also spacing. And now it's your content. So happy holiday, this is template, so it's a picture, but you can adjust or spacing or sizes, you can adjust that. And also text as well, so a note, thank you, so thank you for your support. Or you can say visit us on Christmas or something like that. So you can actually change your text, change your call to button actions. You can link to your website or you can link to your online order system or loyalty gift card. So it's really up to you. And at the bottom, you can see your restaurant name and also you can see the restaurant address. And this is the unsubscribe button. Whoever wants to cancel the subscription to your email, they can do it. And now you're gonna see the mobile version, how it looks like. It's a lot of space for me, so I need to adjust that later. And the text size is great and everything's perfect. So now we're gonna schedule, or you can send right now. So here's a schedule button. If you click it, you can actually schedule when do you want to send out this email to your customers. Or you can send out right now if you see here. Or you can send out a test email to your personal email or business email to see how it looks like. So that's pretty much Toast email marketing, how to create campaign and send it out. It's very easy to use. And in my opinion, email is one of the easiest and fastest way to generate extra revenue for your clients and for your businesses, because you can send an email and you can actually track how many people buy or order some food from your restaurant through email. So for example, this client, you can see per email we generate 2 to 3K. You think it's not a lot, but If you think about it, we just send out an email. That's it. And we generate 2 to 3K extra revenue. So I definitely recommend using email campaigns for your restaurants. So that's how you send email campaigns using Toast. Once this is set up, it's very easy to send out campaigns every single week to your customer, and you're bringing past guests back automatically. If this video helps, please like it, subscribe to my channel, it means a lot to me. And if you need help setting up the email campaigns using Toast, I put the free consultation link down below so that you can book time with me. I'll see you in the next video.